I have a couple of requests nung shinare ko yung banana bread recipe na gumawa daw ako ng carrot cake. Kaya naman, ayan, nag-orange tayo ngayon. Para carrot na carrot. Half recipe lang to guys ha. Simulan natin with 3/4 cup of butter. And then 1/4 cup of sugar, white sugar. Half cup of brown sugar. Yung full recipe, 3 eggs yung gagamitin. And since half recipe lang to, mahirap hatiin yung isang itlog. So kung half recipe lang yung gagawin nyo, gamitan nyo na lang ng 2 small size eggs. Pero again, yung full recipe, 3 large size eggs. So since half lang to, 2 small size eggs. And lagyan pala natin ng vanilla. Few drops of vanilla. Tapos i-cream lang natin to until maging light, fluffy, and airy, and maging pale yellow color siya. Don't forget to scrape the side ng bowl. Ito yung goal natin kapag nagki-cream tayo ng, or ako at least yung process ko, pag nagki-cream ng butter, sugar, vanilla, and egg. So kailangan para siyang buttercream consistency. And yung parang buo-buo siya. Tapos add na natin yung remaining na ingredients. We have half teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. And ito yung mga spices natin. We have half teaspoon ng cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ng turmeric powder, and 1/8 teaspoon ng nutmeg. Tapos we add in 1/4 cup ng pineapple juice, and then 1 1/4 cup ng all-purpose flour. So mix lang natin. Low speed na lang to guys. Scrape lang natin. So mabilis lang to guys. Ayan. Orange na orange pala ako. So lagay natin 1 cup ng shredded carrots. Ito optional. Kung gusto nyo maglagay ng walnuts, ayan, chopped walnuts. And then, mix lang natin. Mix na natin yung ating butter, yung ating carrot cake batter. So, i-divide natin yung ating butter into 2 6-inch pan. So, tansyahin na lang natin, guys. Ganyan siya ka-thick. Pero it will give you soft, fluffy, and moist carrot cake. Then, flatten lang natin or i-level lang natin. Ito na yung ating carrot cake batter. So, yung oven ko, naka-preheat na siya at 180 degrees Celsius. And i-bake natin ito for 40 to 45 minutes. Pero again, for doneness, lagi kayo magte-test. Gagawin yung toothpick test. Mag-insert kayo ng toothpick, barbecue stick, or kung meron kayong cake tester para sure na hindi kayo ma-overbake or ma-underbake yung anything na binibake nyo sa oven. So, 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Ito na yung ating na-bake na carrot cake. Natanggal ko na sa pan and napalamig ko na. Lalagyan natin ng frosting. Gagawa tayo ng cream cheese frosting. I have half cup of butter, softened butter, and 1 block or 1 cup ng cream cheese. Maglagay na rin tayo ng vanilla extract. And then, i-cream lang natin yung butter and cream cheese. Okay, once ano na siya, very light and airy and pale yellow color niya, nalagay tayo ng 1 cup ng powdered sugar. And i-mix lang natin ulit. Okay, tapos na natin yung ating cream cheese frosting. Mix nyo lang for about 3 to 5 minutes until maging light, airy, and very smooth yung ating cream cheese frosting. And then we're ready to assemble. Lagyan na natin yung ating first layer ng ating carrot cake. Lagay tayo ng frosting sa gitna. Ito depende naman kung gaano karaming frosting yung gusto nyo. Second layer. Lagay tayo ng frosting sa sides. Very rustic lang yung itsura ng ating cake. And then mag-pipe lang tayo ng natitira nating cream cheese frosting sa ibabaw. Lalagyan natin ng royal icing na carrot design. Then lagay natin yung carrots. Iset muna natin sa fridge for mga 30 minutes lang, tapos hiwain na natin. So ito na yung ating carrot cake. Tasetan natin. It's tender, soft, and moist. First bite. Well, I have to say this is the best carrot cake na nagawa natin. Yung cream cheese, hindi siya matamis. Saktong-sakto lang nagko-complement siya sa ating carrot cake. Worth it naman pala yung pag-orange ko. If you love carrot cake, magugustuhan yung recipe na to. Hindi ako mapapaya sa inyo. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.